Hi everybody. So we are discussing a question that's asking what is I in this for loop. And so instead of giving a long answer, I thought I should make a video about it so that's easier for me to explain. So we are creating a turtle, and then we are in a for loop where I, which is the index, goes from 0 to 3. Then we move the turtle forward for 50 steps. And then we turn the turtle to the left for 90 degrees, and that's it. This is all written in Python. Let's try to run this file. If you run this file, it will just draw a square. The variable I will go from 0 to 1, 2, 3, which is just 4 values. And we saw that it is creating a square. The square has 4 sides. After drawing each side for 50, it turns left for 90 degrees. So the value of I will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and it will be counted 4 times. You can also see here that it has 4, then the turtle stops. So the value of I, nothing here, just 4. It is a counter that goes from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just play around with this. I will close this for loop for now. Let's say I want to put this for loop in another for loop. So I'll just say for j in range. I'll say a range, and I know that range takes a stop value, or it can also take start, stop, and step. I'll be using the start to stop method. So I'll start from 1, and then I will want to go to, let's say, 100. So that's my for loop, and then I hit enter. It asks me to set the indentation for this for loop. So right now what it's doing is this for loop will create 100 squares. But after each square, I want the turtle to move a little bit more. So I'll say alex.left, and I want to give it some angle, so let's say 25. After drawing each square, the turtle will turn 25 degrees more. And that's all I want. So after that, it will close when the program exits. So let's hit Ctrl S and hit F5 to run the program. After each time it draws a square, it counts and draws another square. And it creates a really beautiful pattern here, kind of like a flower. So you can play around with this more if you want. You can create more for loops, or you can create the same flower again and again. You can even change the color to whatever you want. So let's just keep running it, and I can show you the code again. So I'm just getting a for loop inside another for loop, and it draws a square. After drawing one square, it moves 25 degrees more towards the left and draws another new square. I can use more than one for loop, or I can use this for loop again and again to create this kind of flower. So hopefully you'll find out what the value of I is. The value of I is nothing else but a counter which goes from 0 to 3, which is simply just 4 items. So thank you everybody for watching.